We are here to talk about Springville Schools' theory of action. The theory of action says if we do certain things, then we're going to get certain results. The results that we want and have been planning for is to increase our reading comprehension. So that's been our main goal for a number of years. And if we use research-based strategies, then we will increase our reading comprehension. And it's pretty easy, it makes sense. But we are missing some steps in here that we need to take place to make sure things happen. So we're going to move things over and we're going to fill in the middle. So we have our if-then. We need to fill in the steps in between.
So we know that research-based strategies are out there and we use them all the time. What are some of the things that we're going to focus on here at Springville? We're going to focus on differentiated instruction. We're also going to spend time observing each other and giving each other feedback. We're going to plan collaboratively, and we're going to analyze student work. All of these things put together is what we call in this district peer coaching.
Now, we know that peer coaching just doesn't happen overnight, and it takes some other certain things to make it happen and make it really work. Colleagues need to be able to trust each other, and they need to really have the time to implement their lessons and their observations. So, if we use research-based reading strategies like our GIST, explicit vocabulary instruction, and we provide students with differentiated instruction, we collaboratively plan, we analyze student work, we observe and get better as professionals one another using the peer coaching, then we will increase our reading comprehension, which will then ultimately increase our student achievement, which is our ultimate goal always, is to increase student achievement.
Now that we have defined the theory of action, we need some way of monitoring to see how we are doing. And so what we have done is created a problem of practice. Are teachers using strategies that contribute to increased reading comprehension? We will use that with our superintendent network and have a group of superintendents visit classrooms, collect data, and the data they collect will be factual information. They will just write down what actually happens, what's stated. There is no inferences or opinion. It's just all stated facts. They will collect that information and then give us a report, and then we can use that report to look at the data to see how we are doing, to see if we are really doing what our theory of action states.